Okay, well, I'm just gonna show you this Sigma zoom lens. It's a 4.5 to 5.6 lens, 75 to 300. This is a FD lens. It comes with this Sigma case. I'll show you. So okay. This is a glass quality. Okay. Gonna put on the mount. Please hold on. This is the FD mount. I'm not sure if this can do macro though. Let me see. The minimum distance is 1 meter. 1 meter at 300 mm. I think it's pretty nice. Anyways, okay, let's do f22. So you can see that the blades, they do work. So yeah, the blades work. Let me give you a manual focus so you can see the blade itself. Yeah, there you go. Let's see behind. Okay, yeah. I noticed that on the front element, there's a bit of dirt or something like that. I can't clean it because it's behind the first layer. So just inform you in advance before you buy. You can consider this behind the glass itself. Not sure how to show this, but like you see these dots, I can't clean it. It's actually behind the first layer. Okay, alright, so let's do a shine test as usual. Shine test this. Put this one side. Okay, shine test. Okay. The purpose of shine test is to show you any organic growth. Because if there's any organic growth, you will see immediately that it has some sort of branches or something like that. That's the idea. So this is a control subject, so you can compare it with. This is a Yongnuo 51.8, and it's new, so I assume that it's good. So yeah, see, this is a comparison. And this is the back side. Yeah, so that's a comparison. Any question you can ask me. And yeah, there you go. Sigma 300mm lens. Nice. Okay, thanks everyone. See you.